Hello everyone, I am Mark Prada. I'm your instructor for this course. I do these videos between the weeks to kind of recap the week we just finished and then look into the week that we're going into. So you're going to see these on Saturday night, Sunday mornings coming out to you guys. So, all right, let's look over week one. I'm looking at the scores. I've graded everything but your discussions. If I don't get to those tonight, I will get them done by tomorrow. I usually have all your work graded for you by Sunday night. So come Monday, you guys know where you stand in the class. So far, the reflections and the introductory quizzes, you guys did very good. Your discussions, a lot of activity in there. So, like I said, I'll be grading those in a little bit. There's a few of you that maybe missed one or two of the things read in the first week. I know it's a short first week. It starts off pretty quick. So, let's try and get those in. We don't want to fall too far behind. These are 7.5 week long courses, and the end of it sneaks up on us sometimes pretty quick. So if you're behind anything, try and get it in tomorrow sometime. That way I can have it graded by tomorrow night, and we all start off current and caught up on our classwork come Monday morning. So, all right, let me get to this other screen and pull over week 2. Okay, so welcome to week 2. This is our first full week of class. So we're going to start up a discussion board going over the various types of risks. We're going to go over 3 types of them. We're going to provide examples of them, and then you're going to go into why it's important to categorize risks. Okay, I just want you to remember in the discussion, you're required to respond to at least 2 other posts each week, and you're also required to be in the discussion for 3 different days. So this means if you wait until Saturday to post and respond to the discussions, you're not going to be able to attain the max amount of points. So usually, when I took my master's online, I try to get in early in the discussion, get that going, get that behind me, then I can start working on my assignments. So that's what I did. But hopefully if you guys do that too, that would be great. Okay, this is a 1 week. We have 2 discussion boards. So we have a second one, and it's called our essential questions discussion. So we're going to be going over discussing both the benefits and the potential drawbacks of private security. We're going to go over the cost of using your own private security for your business versus using public law enforcement for your safety and security. Okay, since this is a discussion, again, you're required to respond to 2 other posts and be in the discussion for 3 different days this week. So, okay, your written assignment this week, that's called the week 2 risk assignment. This is 10% of your grade, so it's a very important assignment. You're going to choose from one of the articles listed in the assignment instructions from the virtual library. The assignment requires a minimum of 500 words. After choosing 1 or 2 of the 2 articles, you will answer a series of questions involving managing risk. So again, remember, it's a minimum of 500 words. So if that's what the assignment calls for, make sure you're at least at that. If you're over it, that's fine too. You can go over as much as you want. Okay, then lastly, you have your reflection for week 2. You're going to reflect on the topic of risk that we covered this week. You will think about the risks that maybe either or both your personal and professional life, and explain how you feel you're exposed to risk and what you can do about it. So, as always, if any of you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can email me. I can respond to those usually, if not that day, the next day, or calls or texts. I usually respond to pretty quick. If you have already emailed me and texted me, so that's great. That's what I'm here for. I'm usually up pretty late at night, so I know most of you are on the East Standard Time, on the Central Standard Time, so I'm usually up till midnight, 1 o'clock my time, sometimes even later. So don't be worried about calling or texting me that late. I'll answer your call if I'm awake. Okay, so good luck to all of you in week 2.